Hi, welcome to Blindowl Outdoors. We hope you enjoy our channel, and if possible, could you please join our Patreon page? We really need your help. It's been a long, hard road. Thank you. Yeah, I think the carburetor is dirty or something.
Yeah.
Changed the gas in it. I got it running a couple times, but it just kept choking out. I got the new little battery powered one, but I'm not gonna let these guys use that. What I really want is I want to get this tree here topped off before it falls on the kitchen in some storm. Need to do the same with this mango tree up there too, and the other side that needs to be cut off at the top. Very dangerous. You know, that's okay. You don't need to do that. Told him to go down here and plant to eat it down here in the personal space. Almost went down there, guys. Take all the brush and throw it out of the yard. You can take all these coconuts. Throw them out of here, all this junk out of here. Kind of half cleaned, I guess. Look at the female papayas are starting to sprout. Ones that I cut off. He's over here cutting for some reason, I don't know why. Oh yeah, look at this. Hardly walk through here, but cut out all the papayas. They're all sprouting. These are all females here, I'm pretty sure. Then you just be able to walk over here and just pick them. They'll be just waist high. Be able to pick them for almost a year before they get out of reach again. But this all needs to be cleaned eventually. They won't get it all today, but they'll get a bunch of it though. Marfie, she's going to Toffee. It's market day. He says there's some guy there that has banana seedlings from different varieties of bananas. Maybe we'll get some good bananas going. There we go. Now he's cutting in the garden. Lemongrass? Lemongrass? Go cut that, okay? Hard to get lemongrass going, but once it's going, it does good. Look at all these mother-in-law tongue. They call this snake here. This was just one little thin row I put along here, just kind of block it off when I first built this area. Now it's 6 foot thick. But now we got bananas growing down here, but there's so much shade they won't grow. I'd love to cut all these trees down.
There's a couple that are good trees that the rest just need to go. I think that's a jackfruit tree if I'm not mistaken. Murphy loves those. This is a tree that I chopped down with the hatchet. Nice big one, nice big trunk on it. Yeah, they're getting a lot of stuff done here for me, that's good. They just need a little nudging in different directions when you see something they're not doing or whatever. But otherwise, the guys do great. Alright. Yeah, the chainsaw's been a pain in the ass. Our friend Alex sent this to us after the typhoon 2021. You got to keep it running. You got to start it about every week or so just to keep the gas going and change the gas all the time because the gas here is just absolute garbage. Every now I think it's kind of gummed up. I had it running really good on the choke, and then it kind of died out on me, and then the kid there pulled it 100 times and he couldn't get it going. Hi buddy, how you doing over there? Keeping to yourself? Marfie, she got up about 5 o'clock this morning. Came outside and, hi guys. Earl, want to pet Earl? Yes, there you go. Good boy. And she came out here and cleaned this whole area up. I just had it as shambles, walking around piles of junk, and she scrubbed the floor, everything. She fed and watered the chickens, cleaned all this up here. This was terrible. Pretty nice. My messes get to her after a while, but once a month she'll go crazy, and I learned, don't ever ask her any questions or talk to her when she's doing this stuff, because she's pretty wound up. Learned the hard way. But all this grass here, the weeds all over here, this all needs to be cut eventually here. Again, the guys probably won't get it done today, but hopefully they'll come back in a couple weeks.
Thanks for watching. Take care.